Guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD, guys. Yesterday on Friday, guys, we were selling this. Oh shit, not on Friday, guys. On 24th, we were selling this, and guys, we hit a target. So, guys, today we are once again, guys, we are sellers. Obviously, the price is moving in our direction, about to hit our target. But for today, guys, we have this pattern, in my opinion, forming. So sorry about that. Let's head and shoulders pattern. We also have it on the euro. We also have it on the pound. Something like that. Okay, guys. So we have already broken almost to the wedge, in my opinion. So today I expect, as long as the price is unable to break above 1.35254, guys, eventually we will end up seeing the same area, which is 50 pips from the wedge, which is located at 1.34324. So wishing you guys the best of luck. As long as, guys, we are below 1.35254, guys, we will be seeing 1.34324 soon, and if we break above this, or then, guys, we will be seeing 1.35819. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money selling this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.